Yep. I scratched my cornea too. It's lit. Hi, I'm Kayla. Welcome to this weird weight loss journey, road to health kind of thing I'm doing. I don't really know what to call it. I kind of don't want to call it weight loss journey just because that's not the only thing I'm trying to do. I'm trying to just live a healthier lifestyle. I didn't record everything this week. Moving forward, I'm probably going to record a lot more. I'm excited to share this with everyone, and I'm excited to go through this whole journey. It's been a long time coming. I just want to be a better version of myself. I think everybody wants that. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe. Without further ado, here we go. I barely recorded anything for day one except me like doing squats and sit-ups, so that's what you're getting for now. It's day 2. I'm gonna be healthy AF. I'm doing this thing where I be healthy.
You didn't buy the strawberries. You didn't take the time to boil the hard-boiled eggs.
I did buy these strawberries,
No,
I think.
No.
I did not hard-boil those eggs. You did. Does that mean I can't have any?
No, you're more than welcome to. Myself.
And that's it. That's my breakfast. I've been working and I'm trying to get all the energy I can because my whole body is sore. I went to the eye doctor today. My cornea is fixed. What's cracking, hoes? It's day 4. Days 2 and 3 did not go so well. Things just take way too much. But we're getting back into the swing of it. I just did a lot more off camera. I'm literally out of breath. How pathetic is that? Just because I don't film every workout doesn't mean I'm not doing it. Me filming myself doing 200 squats would not be fun. It'd just be boring. And if you don't believe me, I mean, I don't care. This isn't about you. It's about me making myself do it. I gotta take a shower. I look like shit, but I don't really care. I just weighed myself at one weekend, and I lost 4.9 pounds. I ate healthy, but, didn't suppress myself. I still ate what I wanted, and I didn't do all the squats. Here is how much I did do. This upcoming week, I'm gonna focus more on cardio, because that'll get fat burner.
Weight Watchers incident. I didn't know what I was taking a pee to hold my penis or hold my popsicle. I have to pee really bad. You give up the popsicle or do you hold your penis? Question of the day.
No, Timothy. Timothy, is that even your real name?
All depends who's asking you, police.
Don't judge me, Coco.